Hope you all are safe and fine. We were discussing about our chapter number 12, our shelter. And in our last video, I told you that we are going to discuss about one very special member of the family that not all but some of you might be having. We call them pets, right? So many of you might be having the animals like dogs, cats, rabbits, right, in your homes, and that is called pets. And some people even they can have the domestic animals like cows, goats, buffaloes. Some may have camels also, right? So they used to keep them in the homes or inside the home or maybe outside the home, and they provide them clean shelter, they provide them food to eat, and they look after, means as a family member they treat them and they look after these animals, right? And they make special homes for them also, beta. So we have learned earlier also the special homes of many animals like dog, it is in the kennel. Then we have cows, they live in the shed, right? The birds, they are kept in the cages. Then we have horse that lives in the stable, right? So there are different houses. And students, when we have kept these animals and we are believing that they are also part of our family, it becomes our responsibility to take care of them. We should give them healthy food, and very important is we should keep their place, their shelter very clean. Students, they are animals, they don't know how to clean their surrounding. So it becomes our responsibility to clean their place and to keep them also clean, right? So that they won't get infected with any type of disease. They will be always safe. So because in dirty places we know better germs they breed and they can uh, harm these animals, right? So when we are keeping these pets and domestic animals, it becomes our responsibility to keep them healthy by giving them good food and making their shelters very neat and clean, right? In our homes also, inside our homes especially, there are some uninvited guests, that is called pests. So we can see some creatures inside our house also, right? Like rats, then we have ants, flies, mosquitoes, lizards, cockroaches. They are not pests, they are not pets, they are not domestic animals, and we don't need them also, right? But they are always there inside our house. So students, we should not allow them to breed, especially we should not allow the cockroaches, flies, mosquitoes to breed, because they can cause different diseases. They are very harmful to us. They may cause some infections and other type of diseases also. And generally the open garbage cans, that means our dustbins, if they are open, or we can say the drains, or we can say the stagnant water, that means ruka hua pani, jama hua pani, we have learned this earlier also. So these are the general common places for these type of insects to breed. Like mosquitoes, they generally breed in the stagnant water. So it is very important, and when it becomes our responsibility to keep our house neat and clean, and we should not allow them to breed, because they can be very poisonous, right? So we can use some disinfectants to get rid of these type of insects, or we can say pests, right? So there are different disinfectants are available that kill them or that protect us from them. Like we have, like you might be using mosquito coils are there, then hit is there for cockroach, for even mosquitoes it is there. So what are all these? These all are the disinfectants that stop the breeding of the these type of small pests or these type of small insects and protect us, right? So we can use this type of disinfectants to protect us, right? And to prevent them from spreading any disease. If we talk about the rats, then rat traps will be there. So we can put that with some biscuit or something inside, and when the rat gets attracted towards that, it can get trapped. Or there can be rat killers also. There are some chemicals that are used to kill the rats, but students, it is advisable that you should not touch all these, because if it can kill the rat, it can be harmful for us also. So this to be done by only elders. Even heat and other chemical products you are not supposed to touch, beta. And if you are touching, wash your hands properly, otherwise you may get infected because of these chemicals. It can be very harmful for us, right? So students, we should protect our house from these type of small it becomes our responsibility to take care of few things. That is, we should not allow the water to get stagnant. We should keep the drainages also very clean. It doesn't mean we should clean them, but we should see that what the drainages, there should be a free flow in the drainages, right? And very important, throw the garbage in the dustbin. Don't throw in outside here and there openly. Put it in the dustbin, and very important is we should close the dustbin, right? Otherwise all these germs will attack whatever is there in the dustbin, and they will ring your bell and they will enter your home and they can infect you, right beta? So it is our responsibility to keep the surrounding clean. Put the dust only in the dustbin, and dustbin should be covered. Then we can use some disinfectants. Then we should wash our hands properly. Disinfectants should be kept in a safe place, especially from the small children. We should keep it safe, right? And water should not be allowed to get stagnant, especially many people, they used to have flower pots and all. So it is again becomes the breeding place. When the water gets stagnant, it becomes the breeding place for the mosquitoes, right beta? So these are some simple things that we can take care to keep us safe. And many people, even they go with the pest control also. So they generally, that what they do in pest control means they use some chemicals, and till the ground or to the walls they put these chemicals and all, and it protects, but up to certain level it protects us from the pest. So many people, they go for this type of pest controls also, right beta? Now we all are living in a family. So when we are living in a family, in a house, it becomes our responsibility to follow some of the rules. So it is very important to keep our house neat and clean, right? And it is your responsibility also. You can also do small things to keep your house clean, right? Now we will see what are these things that we can do to keep our house a clean house, a disinfectant house, right? Now, to avoid mosquitoes and flies, we should have wire nettings in our windows and doors also, beta. What these wire nettings do, they allow the air and sunlight to enter into our homes, beta. So air is very important. We should breathe the fresh clean air, and sunlight is again very important because sunlight kills the germs. So these wire nettings, they help or they allow the heat, the sunlight to enter into our house, and even the fresh air to enter, but stops the mosquitoes and flies from entering our house. So generally in our homes we should have the wire nettings, right? Second thing is, we should throw the garbage only in the dustbin, and dustbin should be covered, right? Then third thing is, we should clean our house regularly, especially the floors should be cleaned, I think twice in a day, that is better. And once in a day we should clean it with the mop and using some again disinfectant. Like many households we use phenyl. What we call that? Phenyl is a disinfectant that keeps the floor neat and clean and protects from the germs also. It does not allow the germs to breed, and germs are something that we cannot see beta. So we should use some disinfectants along with the water. We can mop in the house and again let it get dried. Same way, the washrooms or bathrooms should, and toilets especially, should be cleaned regularly, and it should be kept always dry, because if it is wet, so water again helps the germs to breed. So the washrooms should be always kept dry, right? So then all the things should be cleaned, means generally the dust falls on the things, so we should clean the things regularly, maybe daily or sometimes twice in a means alternate days we can clean them, but cleaning is very very important. Same way we can see the cobwebs, that is the spiders, they make the webs in the house beta. So again that should not be done because it makes the house dirty. So regularly we should clean the corners of the houses where generally these spiders they make their cobwebs, that is the spins their webs. So it should be also cleaned properly. So these are the small things that we can take care, so that these germs or these insects will not enter into our house, and we can live a happy life and we can live a safe life, right? Now many people they enjoy decorating their homes, decorating their houses. So they use different indoor plants to decorate their houses. They use wall hangings, they use wall paintings to decorate their houses. They use sometimes the beautiful paintings or beautiful drawings, and sometimes they even paint their walls also, right, to make their homes very beautiful, to look beautiful. Because beta, when the house will look beautiful na, it gives us a positive feeling. We feel very happy by living in such type of house, right? अगर हाउस गंदा होगा तो हमें भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, हमें भी कुछ गंदा गंदा फीलिंग आएगा, एंड फिर हमारा मन ही नहीं लगेगा किसी काम में. बट व्हेन आवर हाउस विल बी वेरी क्लीन, हमें खुशी होगी उस घर में रहने में भी और घर में हमारे काम करने में भी. सो वी शुड ऑल्सो help our elders for decorating these houses, right? So many people they use the flowers, और कई लोग बाहर रंगोली करते हैं. इन दिवाली यू माइट हैव सीन डिफरेंट पीपल डूइंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल रंगोलीज आउटसाइड, है ना. तो वो चावल के आटे से करते हैं या रंगोली के कलर्स हैं. कई लोग पेटल्स, फ्लावर पेटल्स से रंगोली को डिज़ाइन करके उसको फिल करते हैं टू मेक देयर हाउसेस लुक ब्यूटीफुल. कई लोग ब्यूटीफुल लाइटिंग्स लगाते हैं, है ना. और मैनी पीपल दे यूज़ विंड चेन्स ऑल्सो, लाइक विंड चेन्स जो घंटी की तरह दिखता है और जब हवा चलती है तो बजता है. सो इट रिंग्स एंड इट गिव्स अ पॉजिटिविटी. सो मैनी पीपल बिलीव दैट दिस इज़ इट ब्रिंग्स द गुड लक. ये पीपल की बिलीफ है बेटा. बट वॉट एवर इट इज़, सन्नाटा नहीं रहेगा, हल्की सी म्यूज़िक आती रहेगी, बजता रहेगा, अच्छा लगेगा, एक पॉजिटिविटी रहेगी. लाइक सो वी कैन यूज़ डिफरेंट वेज टू डेकोरेट आवर हाउसेस. एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट सम states, especially in southern India, in South India, they even put the painted rangolis in the houses and outside the houses. Beta, let me tell you, southern India में एक custom है जो even I follow, that early morning we clean the outside area with water and we daily put rangoli. It is the custom, it is the tradition, and all the South Indians generally, I don't know about other states beta, but like आंध्र प्रदेश में तो होता है दैट वी क्लीन आवर आउटसाइड एरिया अर्ली मॉर्निंग, एवरी मॉर्निंग, राइट, एंड वी पुट रंगोली. सो it gives a feeling, it is the belief that इट ब्रिंग्स अ गुड लक. ये भी एक गुड लक का ही बिलीफ के साथ हम करते हैं, राइट. सो देर आर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट वेज. सो वी यूज समटाइम्स द डिफरेंट कलर्स टू पुट दीज रंगोलीज. घर के अंदर भी कई पेंटिंग्स करते हैं. कई लोग उनकी जो द्वार होते हैं बेटा, दे ऑल्सो पेंट देम विथ येलो एंड देन दे पुट सम डॉट्स. यू माइट हैव सीन दिस इन मैनी टेम्पल्स एंड अदर प्लेसेस ऑल्सो. दिस इज ऑल टू decorate the house and believe that these things bring a good luck to the house. So we can see that different people, they use different ways to decorate their houses. Now if we talk about some states, like personally beta मैंने भी देखा है, some states like Orissa, then West Bengal, even in Bihar, then in Gujarat also, people they decorate their boundary walls, right. जो walls होते हैं, you can see the beautiful designs made with mud or we have clay and even the mirrors, right. So they make very beautiful paintings on these their walls and they decorate them. So this is how the different people they decorate their different the houses with different ways. And some places are very much popular, very much famous for their beautiful paintings, like we have Madhubani hai, and उसी की तरह है there is a called Varli art. Okay, so Varli art from Maharashtra है, then Madhubani paintings हैं बिहार से. Okay, so it is done very beautifully on the walls and we can see these beautiful houses, especially in the villages and in cities also. Some people following the tradition, they do this type of decorations. So they have seen कि एक घर को ब्यूटीफुल बनाने के लिए कितनी मेहनत लगती है और ख़राब करने के लिए बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लगता. आप अपनी चीज़ें यहाँ वहाँ फेंक देते हो और घर को डर्टी बना देते हो. मम्मी इतनी मेहनत से आपकी घर को सजाती है, संवारती है और आप उसको 1 मिनट में गंदा कर देते हो बेटा. सो दैट इज़ नॉट अलाउड and we know that it takes lot of time, so it becomes your responsibility also, and all the members of the family should contribute towards this act because it gives us a very good feeling, very positive feeling. So everybody together should make the house a neat house, a clean house and a beautiful house, so that we can live in a home happily and safely, right. So it becomes your responsibility now to take care of your house. Help your mother, help your elders to keep your house neat and clean. Have a happy life, have a safe life, enjoy with your family. अगर नहीं किया तो क्या होगा? अरे वेरी सिंपल बेटा, यू विल गेट इन्फेक्टेड एंड यू मे सफ़र फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डिजीजेस. तो ये सब नहीं करना है, हमें हमारे घर को साफ और सुंदर रखना है. ओके, सो होप यू हैव enjoyed this chapter and learn many things, learn many values. So students, stay safe and live happily. Keep your house neat and clean and beautiful. Bye.